So, in last session, friends, what we discussed, let me review, right? We have started with the string concept, right? String, okay? So, string contains the words, we can call it as literals, friends, very simple. So, how to access the string? There are the two ways to access the string. Accessing this word from the string. Suppose this is a string S1, uh, the content is RAMA, friends. हाँ टॉपिक कौन से टॉपिक हो चुके हैं ओके हिंदी क्वेश्चन आई थिंक ही इज आस्किंग विच टॉपिक आई हैव कवर्ड ओके so friends I have covered data types right out of that I have covered just integer float and then complex and this one is a string data type right so those are the fundamental data types I'm going to cover so today's topic is a string right string data type friend you can refer the previous video which is already present in a recording section okay recorded section the link is provided the link is already provided right Google Drive link okay you can just refer there right okay let me start the session with the concept with the one of the most important data type one of the most important fundamental data type right which is a string friend which is a string so let me tell this example let me revise s1 is equals to Rama this is a string friends it is in a single quote so single quote and double quote both are optional friends single quote and double quote both are the optional either you can go for the single quote or you can go for the double quote no problem okay so here I just use the single quote right so it is an example now what is my requirement is friends my requirement is I want to access the words from the string let me access not a word let me access the letter from the string suppose I want to access r letter from the string this character r I want to access this character r I want to access from the string so how I can access okay so there are the two methods two indexing method are used to access the character so you are very well aware about that right there is a two indexing method right there are two indexing method positive indexing negative indexing right it is very clear very easy friends positive indexing suppose this is my word Rama friends this is my word Rama RAMA this is my word Rama so I want to access right I will cover the slicing method also let me revise few people are new in this session that's why okay I will just move to that part also no problem friends right so this is the Rama word right this is a Rama word so this Rama word I want to access there are the means I want to access the character suppose I want to access this character so there are the how many ways there are the two ways to access okay which are those way positive indexing and negative indexing what is positive indexing 0 the 0 1 2 and 3 right this is a left side this is the right side friend this is a left side this is a right side from left to right okay from the left to right I'm giving some assigning some values okay so this is called as a positive indexing right so how to access r with the positive indexing very simple friends very simple what I should write very simple what I should write s1 this s1 this Rama word is assigned to s1 friend this right this Rama word is assigned to s1 word so what I will do s1 of in square bracket I will mention the location for r is 0 right the location of r is 0 so that will give me the value of r the output is the value of value at a 0 location which is r friend which is r right it is called as a positive indexing and here in the Python language negative indexing is also possible friends python in a Python negative indexing is also possible which is not possible in a Java, C, those languages. It is new, right? It is present in a Python language. So negative indexing is a last letter, right? Last letter is a I am going to assign -1. This is -2. This is -3 friends, and this is -4. Okay. Suppose I want to access the word R. I want to access the word R using the negative indexing now, right? Using the negative indexing, I want to access the R word, right? How I can? Very simple. How what I will write s1 in square bracket. I will mention the negative index location. I will mention negative index location. What is the negative index location? -4. What why I will mention? -4 I will mention. So what is the value? The value is R again. Okay. So negative index is varies from which direction to which direction? This is the right direction to the left direction. And positive indexing varies from left to right and negative from right to left. Exactly opposite, friends. Very simple. This example we have covered already, friends. We have covered already. Now, friend, let me tell you what is my requirement for the today's session. What is my requirement that I want to mention, right? Suppose I want, friends, listen carefully. Suppose I want this R and this M word. Suppose, friends, see carefully, friends. I want this A and M word. How I can, right? Character by character, I covered, friends. Using the positive indexing as well as negative indexing, you can access single character, right? But what is my requirement now? My requirement is, right? My requirement is I want to access A word and M word simultaneously, right? So how I can? So for that, slicing concept is mostly followed, friends. This is called as a slicing concept. Okay. So few members are new, they don't know, right? They don't know, few members know very good, right? So they will get the revision also, no problem. But don't tell the answer in a chat box, right? Chat box, don't tell the answer, okay? Because some members are new here, right? So let me tell you the concept again. This is your, suppose this is your string. In the string, these are the letters. These are the letters, friends. Suppose let me tell you, this is A, then B. Let me write some words: C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These are the words, friend, right? These are the words. These are the characters in the box. So I will tell you my requirement. I will tell you the slicing concept right now, right? The previous concept was to access in the single character, to access the single character. Now, what is my requirement? Requirement is very clear, friends. Requirement is very clear. Suppose I want this C. Suppose, friends, suppose my requirement is, suppose I want this B, C, D, E. Up to that I want. How I can do this, right? How I can do this. Suppose I want G, H, I want this section. So that exactly is called as a, friend, slicing. That exactly is called as a slicing. You can apply the analogy. One simple analogy. Suppose it is an apple, right? What you will do if you want to distribute this apple to the 2 person, okay? If you want to distribute this apple to the 3 person, what you will do? You will do the some slicing kind of thing, right? We will do one slice, second slice, and third slice. One, two, and third. Okay, and accordingly you can distribute that to your family member or to your colleague or to your friends. Okay, one apple is there, you want to you have to cut, right? You have to cut and you can easily distribute, right? This is actually the slicing. Same slicing concept I want to apply here, friends. What is the slicing concept? I want to access particular string from this section. Suppose this is A to H I, right? A to I. These are the characters. I want some particular group of the characters, right? That exactly is called as the slicing, friends. I want particular group of characters. Suppose I want this section, okay? So for that, slicing is required. So let me tell you the slicing again, right? So friends, let me give the indexing to first, right? Let me give the some indices to these characters. Okay, let me give some indices to this character. So indices, first I will give the positive indices. So it starts from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, and then 8, right, friends? These are the positive indices. Now let me give the negative indices to the characters. Now again I will change the color, no problem. I will change the color so that no confusion. -1, then -2, right? -2, -3, -4, then -5, right? -6, -7, then -8, right? Then -9. Friends, these are the indices. These are the negative indices, right? So we have to write negative indices from which direction to the which direction? We have to write negative indices from right direction to the left direction. For positive indices, we have to follow left to right. Friends, we have to follow left direction to the right direction. Okay. So that is about the friends. That is about the indices. Now let me tell you about the slice. How the slice operator can be work. Okay, friends. So for that, this is my notepad, friend. This is my notepad. Let me take one simple example. Okay. So suppose this is my string s is equals to, friend. This is my string s is equals to, I can denote my string in single quote or double quote. So I am going to use the single quote, right? Single quotation. So my string is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So these are the alphabet. Okay. This is the string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the string, friends. Right? So I want, friends, I want, this is as string. I want, let me tell you my requirement. Let me tell you my requirement. My requirement is, friends, I want listen carefully, friends. Very simple. The concept is very simple. I want, uh, uh, let me change the color. I want B, C, D part. Friends, I want what part I want? Friends, listen carefully. What part I want? B, C, D. That part I want. Right? This is total string. But I want B, C, D. How I can? How I can? Very simple, friends. Very simple. What you have to do? You have to write as. You have to write as. You have to give the square bracket, friends. You have to give the square bracket. In the square bracket, you have to write begin. We have to mention the begin and end. Begin and end. Now you want, listen carefully, friends. Now you want B, C, D. So what is begin of the B, C, D, friends? What is the begin of B, C, D, friends? What is the begin of the B, C, D, right? What is the begin of BCD? The begin of B is 1, index 1, and end is indices 3, end is indices 3, friends. So that you will get, okay. One thing I want to mention here, friends. One thing I want to mention here, you have to mention the next position, friends. You have to mention the next position. Let me show you the result so that the things will be very clear. So I want one location, that is the beginning and the end. End is, let's say, 5. End is, let's say, 5. Okay. End is, let's say, 5. Here I wrote a 3. Okay. End is, let's say, 4. Okay. One second. Let me take the 4 and let me show you the result, friends. Let me show you the result. Let me take this sentence first. Write py. This is the right. So write py. Okay, no problem. And here, this is my string. Okay, no problem. As I want which section, friend? From one location to, let me take the location number 4. Now what will be the result? Let me check. BCD. First class, friends. Whatever I want, that I will get, right? That I got, right? BCD I got. So friend, listen carefully. What I have to take here? Suppose I want BCD, I have to write begin as 1, friends. Suppose you want BCD, so you have to mention the location 1. For B, the location 1 you have to mention, and colon, you have to give the colon. You have to give the colon. Then you have to mention, this is the D is at a third location, but you have to mention the fourth location, friends. You have to mention fourth location, friends. Listen carefully. You don't have to mention location number 3. You have to mention the location number 4, friends. You have to mention the location number 4. Why it is? Because it will give you the result. This will give you the result. Location 1 colon and minus 1 and minus 1, that will be the final result, friends. That will be the final result. So that will be the final result. So what I want to say, suppose if you mention likewise, what will be right? Last minus 1. Last minus 1. So the result is a last minus 1, friends. Last minus 1 from listen carefully, from second index. This 1 means what, friend? This 1 means what? This 1 means what? 0 is a first. 1 means what, friends? Second. So what is from second index, to 4 minus 1 means what, friends? 3. 4 minus 1 means, friends, 3. So from second index to the third index, the result will be considered, friends. From second index to the last index is 4 minus 1. That is how much that is? That is 3. That is 3. That result will be considered, friend. That result will be considered. That is 3. Right? So from index number 2 to 4 minus 1, that is at a third location, which letter you can see? 3 is there. D is there, right? So B, C, D you will get. B, C, D you will get. Now, I will tell you my another requirement, friends. I will tell you my another requirement. Now, friend, what is my requirement? I want, listen carefully, friends. I want from this F to I. I want from this F to I. How I can? I want F, G, H, I. This whole thing I want. How I can, friends? How I can? Very easy. Very easy. What you have to do, friends? What you have to do? You have to write as, friends, as. Then what is the start position, friends? What is the start position? You have to mention. F is located as position number 5. So just write position number 5. Right? I wrote. Right. So then I want this I also. So but n minus 1. The result will come at a n minus 1. So write 9. Friends, the range is, last range is 8, but you have to mention 9. Right? You have to mention 9. Friends, you have to mention 9. What will be the result, friend? What will be the result? From fifth, or I can say that is the sixth index. From sixth index to 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. That is a which? That is a eighth, or I can say that, right, this is the 8th index. You will get the result. Let me show you the output. Friends. Let me show you the output. So this will be your output, friends. Listen carefully. F, G, H, I. 1 second. F, G, H, I think correct. F, G, H, I. The result is perfect, friends. The result is perfect. F, G, H, I. This is the fifth letter, friend. This is the fifth letter. I can write here fifth. Okay, no problem. To avoid the confusion, I write it the fifth location. I will write here 1 index. From 1 index to 4 minus 1, that is a 3. Right? Then 5 index, 5th index to 9 minus 1, that is 8, friend. Very easy, very simple to understand. Right? So again, I have another requirement, friend. Let me tell another example. So the story will be very clear, very clear, friends. Very clear. So now my requirement is, friends, I want this C, from this C. Friends, listen carefully. I want this C to F. I want this section, friends. From C to F. I want this section. I want this slice. How I can? Very easy, friends. Let us trace the location of the C. So begin. C is begin position. Okay, just focus on the begin position. What is the begin position? Just write as square bracket. What is the begin position? Right, friends? What is the begin position for C? 2 is a begin position. Very good. Right? Colon. Then I want what? Which position? F position. So F is located at the position number 5. But I have to mention the next position. What is the next position? 6. Right? What is the next position? 6. So I have to write 6. So what will be the result? For this? From second index to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, that is 5. Friends, 6 minus 1, that is 5. So that will be the result. Let me check the result. Right? Let me validate whether I am getting the answer correctly or not. Let me validate my result. Okay. Yes, perfect. F, G, H, I am getting. You can compare. F, G, H, I am getting, friends. You can see. F, G, H. 1 second. What happened? Right. 2 to 6, 2 to 6 I mentioned here, 2 to 6, right, result, old result is came, 2 to 6 I have to mention, 2 to 6, now the result will perfect, right, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F will be the result, C, you can see C, D, E, F, that is my result, C, D, E, F, 2 to 6, what will be the result of this string? C, D, E, F, right? C, D, E, F you will get. Friends, very easy concept, very easy concept. Friends, very easy concept. So, what is the rule, friend? What is the rule here? What is the rule here? Suppose you, if you want any slice, if you want, if you want any slice, right, friends? Any slice, what you should do, friends? What you should do? Begin colon end minus 1, that position you have to take into the consideration, friend. End minus 1, right? End minus 1 you have to write. Now here I wrote 4, so 4 minus 1 I have to write exclusively 3 here, friends. So end minus 1, it is a rule, friends, it is a rule, very simple and very easy to understand the rule. Okay, friends, very easy and very simple to understand the rule. Okay, so let me take the negative indexes into the consideration, friends, right? Let me take negative index into the consideration. Let me take the example of negative index, right? Let me take. So my requirement is, listen carefully, friends, my requirement is, suppose I wrote something like, suppose I wrote, 1 second, in the notepad, right? Suppose I wrote something here, as of, listen carefully, friends, suppose I wrote as of, 3 colon, 3 colon, let me check, 3 colon, minus 6, 3 colon minus 6 I wrote here. Okay, friends, suppose I wrote 3 colon minus 6, 3 is the beginning, minus 6 is the end. 3 is the beginning, minus 6 is the end, friends. Listen carefully. 3 is beginning, minus 6 is the end, right? I mentioned that way, right? Right. What will be the output, friends? What will be the output in this case? What will be the output? Okay, so I wrote 3. I wrote 3. That is a positive index. Then minus 6 I mentioned. That is a negative index, right? So what will be the answer? Bit confusion, na? Don't worry. Very simple, friends. Very simple. Just apply our rule. Just apply our rule. From 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 third index, from third index to minus 6 minus 1, friend, from third index to -1, you know, -1, you have to mention the -1. So -6 to -1, which is how much, friends? -7. -7 from third index to -6 - 1, right? That is -7, you will get the output, right? So let me check this output, let me check this output. Okay, 1 second, let me check the output, how much will be the output, right? Empty string, friends, this is the empty string. Why it is empty string, I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you why it is empty string. So minus 3, 3 is the index, friend. Where is 3? This is the 3, friends, this is the 3. And then -6 is there, right? Where is the -6, friends? Where is the -6? Here itself, friends, here itself. Here is a 3 and here is again -6, friends. Here is 3, here is again -6. So there, that's why no slicing, no slicing. Same location 3 and same location -6, 3 and same location -6. That's why there will be the no slicing, friend. There will be the no slicing. That's why the result is a null, friends. The result is a null. Let me take, right, -3, right. Let me take another example so that the story will be very clear. Okay, I don't want to confuse you, right? Just listen carefully the session, listen carefully. I will take example one by one, right? So initially I will take the example of one. can explain. So let me take the example with the more letter, right? More letters. Okay. For that, let me take one box, a very big box, right? So let me increase the letter so that I can explain very neatly, right? Very properly. So let me write here. Okay, A. This is letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, M, N, O. Okay, P, up to P. Let me take this example up to P. Okay, I think 15, total 15 letter. These are total 15 letters. Okay, one second. Eraser. Okay, let me remove this part. No problem. Okay. One second. Let me write one line here. Okay, now it is okay. Let me take this thing into the middle, right? On at middle position, and let me give some box. Okay, some lines so that it will be properly separated, right? Let me do that also. One line, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, right? So let me give the positive indexes as well as negative indexes, right? So let me give the positive indexes first in a green color. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is 15, right? Similarly, let me give the negative index with the red color, right? So I think red color is perfect, right? So -1, -2, -3. I am doing all those things with the mouse. That's why it takes some time. -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -1, -2, -3, 14, -15, -16. Okay, so let me take few more example, right? Right? So example number 1, right? For this string, let me take some example. Example number 4. Example number first. Okay, example number first. Let me take the example number first. So my first example is, friend, listen carefully. My first example is, suppose I wrote something in this bracket as of, suppose I wrote as of, friends, as of let's say third index to the ninth index, colon 9. What it means, friend? Third to 9. Suppose I wrote something here. Third to 9. Third to 3 to 9. Suppose I wrote this way. 3 to 9. What it means, friends? What it means exactly? So, right? What it means, friends? What it means? It means I wrote here, let's say the example as of in bracket 3 to 9. Suppose I wrote 3 colon 9. What it means, friends? What it means? It means from third index to 9 minus 1, friend. 9 minus 1 means what? 8. So it will give me the result from third index to the ninth index. Let me check the answer. Let me check the answer. For that, let me assign the value. S is equals to, friend, S is equals to, let me assign the value. S is equals to, in a single chord, I will mention A B C D, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O, I think up to P, right? M N O P. Okay. So this is S. So what I want, I wrote 3 to 9. 3 to 9. What it means? From third index to 9 minus 1, that is 8. From third index, that is 9. 9 means what? Last minus 1, that is end minus 1. So let me check the result. Let me check the result. What is output? D E F G H I. Let's check. Let's check. D D D, yes, perfect. D perfect. Then E perfect, D perfect, D perfect, E perfect, F perfect, G H I. This will be your output. You can see 8. 8 is there, right? 8 is there. Means what? 9 minus 1, last minus 1, last minus 1. The 8 will be the result, right? So start from third index. You can see the start from third index, that is D. You can see this is D, start from D, end at 8th location. The 8 means where I is there, right? Where I is there, right? You can see the I is there in our result, right? I is there in our result. So this is the output. This is the output, friends. Okay, let me paste this output so that there will be the no confusion at all, right? This is output. Okay. So let me take another example. S of, now examples are very simple. Minus 13, minus 13, colon, minus 7, minus 13, minus 7. Let me take this example also. Very simple, friends. Very simple. From, apply our rule from minus 13 to, from minus 13 to how much, friends? From minus 13 index to how much? Which index? Index to minus 7 minus 1, minus 7 minus 1. How much it is? How much it is? Minus 8. So minus 13 index to minus 8 index. Let me check. Let me check. Right? So end minus 1. End minus 1. So let me check the result. Let me check the result. So let me check. Okay. Right? You can see D E F G H I. D E F G H I. It is our result. Right? Minus 13. Which is the minus 13 location? This one is a minus 13 location. Friends, this one is a minus 13 location. This is minus 13 location. From minus 13 to minus 7. Which is minus 7? This is minus 7, friend. This much of portion, minus 13 to minus 7. Here I have used the negative index, friends. Minus this the slice of this region. Minus 13 to minus 7. This is a negative index. Minus 13 to minus 7. Okay, rule is same. End minus 1. We have to consider end minus 1. The value is minus 7. So end minus 1. Minus 7 minus 1. That will give me minus 8, friend. Very simple. Now you can tell me the rest of the example. Suppose I take here S of 3 colon minus 6. 3 colon minus 6. What will be the result? What will be the result? From very simple. It is a mixture of negative index as well as positive index. Okay. It is a mixture of negative and positive index, but don't worry. Just write from index 3, from index 3 to, right, friends, from index 3, index 2, minus 6 minus 1. That is minus 7. That is minus 7 index. That is minus 7 index. That is minus 6 minus 1. That is minus 7th index. Right? So let me check, friends. S of 3 to minus 6. S of 3 to minus 6. Let me check the result. Right? Let me check. Okay. D E F G H I J. D E F G H I J. As you can see that this is the result. D E F G H I J. D E F G, right? This will be the result. I will show you the result, right? D E F G H I J. D E F. Let's locate the D. Let's locate the difference. D, this is D, right? This is D, right? This is D. Then up to I. This is your I, right? This is your I. 8th location. You can see this is, but everything in a positive as well as negative index. Mention in a positive as well as negative index. So this is a positive index. 3 is a positive index, friend. See carefully. 3 is a positive index. Okay. And -6. -6 -1. That is up to -7 location will be considered. -6 -1 up to -7 will be considered. So just look at -7 location. So minus right, -7. Okay. So up to I think up to, okay, one second. Output show, see the output up to j is there, up to j is there. Where is j? This one is j, friend. This one is j. One second. Let me correct. This one is j, right? This one is j. -7 up to minus 7, right? You can see -6 -1, that is -7 up to -7, up to -7. You can see, friends. So positive index, this one is a negative index, -7. From 3 to -7, that slice will come into the picture. This much of slice come into the picture. So it is a mixture of negative index as well as positive index. Now you can ask me for any of the example. You can ask me any of the random example. Let me take any random value. Let me take 4. Yes, positive index. Let me take negative index, -5. Right. So from, in this case, from fourth index, to -5 -1. Correct, friends. -5 -1. That will be the result. -5 -1. That is -6. Right. So just locate the fourth index. Which one is a fourth index? This one is a fourth index. Right. This one is a positive fourth index. Then up to this to -5, which is a -5 index, friend. Which is a -5? This one is a -5 index. You can see this one is a -5 index. So that much of slice I want to take. This much of slice I want to take. So very simple. Just copy paste. Copy this and just paste. You will see the result. E F G H I J K L. E F, you can see in the result. Okay, you can see that into the result. E F G H I J K. Right, friends? Right? Is it correct? Up to K. One second. Again, I did some mistake. It seems, right? Again, I did some mistake. The mistake is -6. I just mentioned at -5 position, because it's a -6. So I just have to mention up to the -6. Now it is correct. -6 up to -6. I don't have to consider the -7, because -5 -1 -6. That result will come into the picture. E F G H I J K. Up to this, the result will come into the picture. Okay. Let me copy paste this result. Let me take few more example, so that concept will be clear, right? There will be no confusion. Let me take few more example. You can tell me, right? You can also tell me. Let me take, or I will just write it randomly. 3 to -5. 3 to minus, let's say -4. 3 to -4. Now in this case, what will be the result, friends? In this case, what will be the result? From 3 to, right, 3 index, third index to -4 -1, that is -5, up to -5. So from third index to the -5, from third index to the -5 position. Now just locate the third index. I will change the color. Just locate the third index. This is the third index, D. Friends, pink color. In pink color I am I am going to mention. This is the third index. From D location to -4 -1, that is -5. Where -5 is located? This is a -5 location, friend. This is a -5 location. So that much part I will consider. D E F G H I J K L. Right, up to L. That much of part I am going to consider. Let me take this example, so that the story will be very clear. Okay, let me paste. Okay, up to L. You can see the result is up to L. Perfect. It is Now the result is up to L. Very simple, friends. So many combination you can take easily, friends. So many. Let me take that some negative result. Negative result I will take, friends. I will take the negative index. Let's say I will take -3, and then I will take minus 4. -3, -4 I will take. So just consider from -3, right? Correct. -3, -4, -1, -4, -1. How much it is? How much it is? -5, -5, -5. So just locate -3 location. Just locate -3 location, friend. Just locate -3 location. Which one is the minus? Which one is the -3 location? -3 location. This one is a -3 location. Perfect. This one is a -3 location. From this location to -5 location. Which one is a -5 location? So this one is a -5 location. You can see. So that much of part. That much of part. 1 second. This much of part will be considered. -3 to -5. Okay. -3 to -5. -4, -1. That is -5. Okay. Let me consider this. Let me copy. Let me paste. So that right. Let me take. Okay. Again, it is the empty string. So if I take, friends, suppose if I take a result reversely, suppose if I take the result reversely, I will tell you what exactly happened. -4, I am going to take here -4, and I am going to take here -3. Okay. Why this happen, friends? The result is empty string. Why this happen? Let me tell you in a simple words, friends. You are considering the index. Friends, listen carefully. You are considering the index from -3 position, right? This is a start position, friends. This is a start position. This is a start position. Starting direction is, this is the starting direction, friends. Just look at this. This is the starting direction. -3. This is the starting direction. In this direction, -5 is there, friends. In this direction, -5 is there, friends. In this direction, -5 is there. No, no. In this direction, there is a no -5. Okay. -5 is located at this direction. This is the beginning direction. -3, that is the beginning direction. In this direction, -5. Okay, in this direction, this is -3, this is -3, this is -3. Perfect. It is a starting position. But after start, where you have to end? You have to end at a -5, at a -5 place. This is your direction, at this direction. But -5 is located at this place. But -5 is located at this place. So there is no -5 in this direction. This is the starting direction, right? You know, -3, this is the starting direction, and you are looking at the ending direction at this direction. But whether -5 is present in this direction, friend? No -5 in this direction. That's why the result is none, friends. The result is null. I think I hope it is very clear to you, friends. Listen carefully. What I mean to say. Listen carefully. What I mean to say. In this result, friend, in this result, -3, right? -3. So it is the start. Okay, first class, it is -3. This is the starting position. Okay. So which is the ending position? Somewhere at this direction there is a ending. There is a ending. But the what is the value of the ending? What is the value is ending? -5 is the value of the ending. Is there -5 location? Is there -5 location in this direction, friend? Is there -5 location in this direction? No, no. There is a no -5 location in this direction. That's why the result is null, friends. That's why the result is null. Because no -5, right? Friends, no -5. Okay. We have to start from this direction, and we have to end at this direction, right? This is the whole story, right? But you can see this is a -3, but you are looking, this is your starting position, but you are looking for the ending position as a -5. But whether any -5 in this direction? No -5 in this direction. -5 actually located at this place, right? It is not in this direction. That's why there is a no -5 location found. That's why the result is empty string. What is the result? The result is a empty string. Listen carefully, friends. Very simple and very easy to understand. Okay. So I think it is very clear to everyone. So result is null in this case, friends. Result is null in this case. Let me paste this result also. Okay. Let me paste. I have to take one note here so that the thing will be very clear. from -3 to -2, and in forward direction, forward direction, direction, there there is no -5 location, no -5 location, location found. That's why, that's why, that's why the result is null. The result is null. No string is obtained. If this situation happen, so definitely the result is null, friends. The result is null. So that thing you have to understand, friends. Very simple. So I have take the maximum example. I already take the maximum example. So just practice those example. Just take your one string, just use the pen and paper, just use the pen and paper and try to execute. You will get a more clarity. If you practice the thing, you will get a more clarity and more depth, friends, right? So I think it is sufficient for the today's session. Rest of the thing is, I think two more sessions will required to complete this topic. Okay, friend, two more session will be required to complete this topic, right? So up to that, I think it is sufficient for today's session. Tomorrow we will see some advanced part, right? So this is a very basic part. What is the rule? N minus one, starting position, N minus one, complete. And one thing you have to also consider, you have to move in a forward direction. You can't move in a backward direction. You have to move in a which direction? Forward direction you have to move, right? So if in forward direction, if there is a no location found in a forward direction, in this direction, you can see in this example, in this direction, if there is a, if you don't found any location, like let's say -5 is not present in this location. What I mean to say, I think you understand. Is there -5 in this location? No -5 in this location. -5 is present in this location, right? That's why the result is null in this case. So what I mean to say, if in forward direction, if you don't get the position, then result is a null. The result is null. If in a forward direction, if you don't find any result, any index, right? Any index, the result will be null. That is a note. This rule you have to keep in mind. Two rules are there. First rule is N minus 1, starting position, then N minus 1, okay, and final position, right? N minus 1, starting index, N minus 1, that's it. And this is a note. If you not found any location in a forward direction, that is N minus 1 location, if not found, simply N minus location not found, then result will be null, right? The result will be null. Which is forward direction? This one is a forward direction, right? If the forward direction, if the N minus 1 location not found, I am repeating again, in this forward direction, if N minus 1 location not found, the result will be null. That's it. That is very correct, and that is very simple to understand, right, friends? Keep this point in your mind, okay? So definitely there will be no confusion. Whatever the rule, just practice it, right? Whatever the rule I just discussed with you, just practice those rule, and keep in mind this last point. In forward direction, if N minus 1 location is not found, the result will be the will null, okay? In that case, what happened? -3 to -5, N minus 1, what that was -5 location, but -3, this is a starting location, and this was a forward direction. In the forward direction, no -5, okay, no -5. Can you see here -5 location? No -5 location. -5 location in a backward direction, okay? It is not in a forward direction. That's why, though no -5, that's why result is null.